Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we have completed the necklace in first unit. I have also discussed activities and some questions. Now, I am starting second unit, second lesson 2.2, a true story of sea turtles written by Bhau Katdare, who is a member of Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, that is one organization, and Bhau Katdare is the member of that organization, and he has expressed his views regarding sea turtles. Turtles, tortoises. It's a story about protection of sea turtles. How did that organization take that challenge of protection of sea turtles? It's a really inspiring topic. Everyone knows that the hunting has been strictly prohibited by our law. No one can hunt any kind of animal, birds, or any creature. That has been strictly banned by law. This topic has been about protection of sea turtles. What happened about those sea turtles, look? And how have they been protected by that organization? What are their problems? Which hardships do those turtles face? We are discussing about those things in this lesson. A real story of sea turtles. Bhau Katdare, the author, has been expressing his experience regarding the protection of sea turtles in this lesson. So let's look what does he say in this topic. We were surveying. Surveying means observing the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. White-bellied sea eagles, it means fish-eating eagles found on seashores. Fish-eating eagles, one specific kind of eagles found on seashores. Look what happened once. All members in Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra had been surveying the white-bellied sea eagles in summer that year. They were inspecting, observing, surveying of those specific kind of eagles in the summer in that year. As we roamed, wandered the coast, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white egg shells nearby. When those members were wandering on the seashore to observe, to survive those sea eagles, at that time, one of the members, one of the volunteers in that team saw shallow pits having white egg shells nearby. One of the volunteers noticed some holes, shallow pits with white egg shells nearby. Enquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs. Revealed means become clear or became known. When they inquired at the villagers about those eggs at that time, they came to know that they were of turtle eggs. Those shells were of turtle eggs. This came as surprise, and look, after getting that information, all members had been really surprised. They had been shocked. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all those years. They had never come across turtle eggs in their wandering along the beaches of Konkan in all those years. Means they had been surveying for seagulls since many years, and in those years they had never seen such shells of eggs on the seashore. So look, what did they decide after inspecting those shells of turtle eggs? We decided to study this unusual occurrence, strange happenings, strange incident. Further then, those all members decided to investigate, decided to study that strange occurrence. We learned that the beach where we had found the egg shells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month after people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. After investigation, they came to know that the place where the beach where they had found the egg shells, that place had been completely sealed to the public since 1 month because some smugglers of silver bricks had been caught there. After that incident, the beach where they had found those shells of eggs had been completely sealed for public. No anyone can enter that area. But what we learned further shocked us to the core. To the core means heartily. They came to know that the beach had been where they had found those shells had been completely sealed. After further investigation, when they came to know next thing, at that time all members were completely heartily shocked. All members had been heartily stunned, shocked, surprised, because look what did they learn about those sea turtles. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state. They came to know that turtles make their nest along the whole coastline of Maharashtra. There are a few people in every village who keep combing, searching the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. And there were some people in every village who would keep their watch on the beach in early hours of the morning throughout the year. Look, why were they searching that beach, for which purpose? It's very vast thing. It's very strange thing. Some people would always keep their watch on beach in early hours of morning, and that thing continued throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on the shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail, a path, just like a track of wheels on sand. Look, when female turtles, when female turtle would come on shore to nest and to lay eggs, at that time, she leaves behind one narrow path as like a track of wheels on the sand. Look, it's very strange, it's very unique. When female turtle would come on the shore to nest and to lay eggs, at that time, she leaves behind a trail, a path like a track of wheels on the sand. The eggs hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. And there were some eggs hunters. They would follow that track until right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. Which is about half a meter deep. Look, what happened? Those eggs hunters follow that track, follow that path till the nest, which is about half a meter deep. They dig up the nest and steal rob all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. And look, what would those eggs hunters do after following that path? After reaching that nest, they would dig that pit and they would collect all eggs, and in one pit, in one nest, there would be approximately 100 to 150 eggs of turtles, and they would rob all those eggs, and they would steal all those eggs which are laid inside that nest. These eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market, and those eggs hunters would eat those eggs or sell in the market. Look, what a worst habit of those people. They would collect all those eggs, all 100 to 150 eggs, and they would either eat or sell in the market. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. Look, what another one worst thing is, if female turtle is being seen while it is still laying eggs, then those people allow her to lay eggs. If a turtle is spotted, seen while it is still laying eggs, then it is allowed to live till the laying is over. Look, if one of the egg hunters saw the female turtle while laying the eggs, then that female turtle is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. Look, what a cruel people they were. As soon as the eggs are laid, that female turtle has been caught, killed and eaten by those people. Means as soon as the female turtle would lay those eggs, those hunters would kill and eat that female turtle. This ruthless, cruel, unhuman practice is observed in all parts of the world, and this cruel practice is observed in all parts of the world. And this very worst practice, very cruel work has been practiced, has been observed in all parts of the world, means in all parts of the world such worst thing has been continued. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1st of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1st of Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Under this act, sea turtles have been protected. Under this act, sea turtles have been strongly protected. No one can hunt and kill them under this act, but unfortunately some cruel people never follow this act, this rule, this law, and they very cruelly kill such sea turtles, which is very worst thing. Therefore, that means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. Under this law, turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. Tigers have been also protected under the Tiger Project, under the Tiger Saving Project, under different laws. It means turtles have been also given same protection as like tigers. Therefore, all these businesses of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried on in secret, in hush manner, without unknowingly, hush manner, unknowingly, very secretly. It means all this business of hunting and killing, it means all this business of hunting and killing turtles is being done in a very secret way, unknowingly to anyone. Although there is a strict law, some people do this worst business very secretly. This information was very distressing. This information was very distressing, very terrible. When the members in that organization knew about sea turtles, about their conditions, about those hunters at that time, look what did they decide. We began to think seriously about it. They started to think very seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. Then they decided to undertake a strong project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. After sensing, after realizing the condition of sea turtles, and those hunters, all members in that organization decided to undertake a strong project for protection and conservation of turtles as well as their nest in Maharashtra. Now look, how did they succeed in that project? Which kind of plannings did they do for protection of sea turtles? We had no experience regarding sea turtles. So first, all we undertook a study of turtles. All those members were so new for that work. They did not have any experience regarding sea turtles. So first of all, they studied about that thing in detail. We had no experience regarding sea turtles. So first of all, we undertook a study of turtles. What happened? All those members did not have any experience of such sea turtles. So first of all, they undertook a study of turtles. First of all, they studied about sea turtles in detail. We contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles in India. Then they contacted many institutes which work for the protection of turtles in India. Then those members started to make contacts with institutes working for the protection of turtles in India for gathering detailed information, because at any cost they have to succeed that project. The next step was starting a turtle protection campaign at Velas. Vela is one village, Taluka, Mannangarh district, Ratnagiri. And next step, after taking all kinds of information, the next step was starting a turtle protection campaign at Vela in Mannangarh Taluka, which is in Ratnagiri district, means in Konkan region. They decided to start their project in Vela's village, which is in Mannangarh Taluka and in Ratnagiri district. This was done with the support and cooperation of the forest department. The forest department also cooperated them to launch that project there. As a part of campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for turtle nest on the beach in the morning, and then they started their campaign step by step. As part of the campaign, first step was a few local people had been specially appointed to look for turtle nest on the beach in the morning. Look, as a part of the campaign, what did the first two, as a part of the campaign, a few local people had been specially invited to keep watch on turtle nest in the beach in morning. When they came across a nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with wire fencing. The next step was when those local people would come on the beach to keep watch on the turtle nest. What was their work? Look, after reaching the nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs. They had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest, and after collecting all eggs from that nest, they had to again bury them into similar pit, but with wire fencing around the nest. It means their work was to go to those turtles' nest to collect all eggs from that nest. Again, they had to bury all those eggs in a similar pit with wire fencing around it. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent robbery. They had to watch over the protected nest and to avoid robbery, to prevent stealing of those eggs. And look, the next work of those people was to keep watch over the protected nest to prevent robbery. In the first year, we could successfully protect 15 nests in this manner. Look, in the first year, in that way, those members could successfully protect 15 nests. 15 nests means if you took 150 eggs into one nest, then look, 50 into 150. How many turtles have been saved by those members in that organization? In first year, they could protect successfully 50 nests in that manner. 50 nests means thousands of turtles had been saved in first year, and it was very great work. It had been very challenging work, and they completed it very successfully with strong determination and strong courage. When the babies hatched out of the eggs, what an event that was! When the babies hatched out from thousands of eggs, what a beautiful scene it was. Just imagine, thousands of hatchlings were running here and there on seashore. What a nice scene it would be. And when the babies hatched out of the eggs, really, it was very beautiful scene. The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle. The whole village rushed to the beach to witness that scene, to witness those hatchlings, that beautiful scene, because they had never seen such event before. As those eggs had been just hunted and killed. So the villagers had never seen such event. When the tiny turtle hatchlings hurried across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea, what an ovation, admirations they received from the onlookers. When the tiny turtle hatchlings hurried, when the tiny hatchlings were running here and there on silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea, the rolling sea waves, what an admiration they got from the onlookers. Really, it was very admirable. When the babies were hatched out of the eggs, it was a wonderful scene, and all villagers rushed to the beach to witness that spectacle, to witness that scene, because they had never seen before such scene. When tiny turtle hatchlings hurried across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea, what an ovation they received from the onlookers. Look, when tiny turtle hatchlings were hurried across the silver sands, were rushing across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless waves. Then really they got great admiration, they got great standing ovation from the onlookers. All villagers heartily praised their beauty and their little movements. Some of the elderly villagers admitted that though they had seen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was for the first time that they had seen the hatchling rushing to the sea. Some of the experienced people, elderly villagers, admitted that though they had seen stealing of turtle eggs from their school days, it was the first time they had been seeing the hatchlings rushing to the sea. Look, means since many years, the stealing of those turtle eggs had been continued. The most elderly villagers also admitted that although they had been seeing the stealing of eggs right from their school days, it was the first time that they had seen the hatchlings. They had seen those little hatchlings rushing to the sea, and they had been really satisfied to witness that scene, to witness that beauty. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, 5 of which are found in India. Now look about species of turtles. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, 5 of which are found in India. In the whole world, there are 7 types of sea turtles, among them 5 of which are found in India. The olive ridley turtle is one kind of turtle nests along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. The olive ridley turtle nests along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Look, one specific kind of turtle among those 7 types of sea turtles. Olive ridley turtles nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Green turtles and hawk's bills have also been found. Green turtles and hawk's bills have also been found in Maharashtra. An amazing characteristics of turtles is that when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearly after a gap of 15 years, she returns to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. Look, what amazing characteristics of sea turtles, of female turtles. According to that strange occurrence, amazing characteristics, look what? When female turtle reaches maturity, that is after a gap of 15 years, that female turtle returns to the same place to lay her eggs where she was born. Look, what an amazing feature of female turtles. When that female turtles, once again I tell you, when one female turtle become mature, when female turtles reaches her maturity, it means after 15 years, that female turtles returns to the same place to lay her eggs where she was born. Really, it's very amazing characteristics of female turtles. The female comes on shore just to make a nest in sand and lay her eggs. Look, the female comes on shore just to make a nest in sand and lay her eggs and immediately returns to the sea. The female turtle comes on the seashore just to build their nest and to lay eggs. As soon as the eggs have been laid, they returns into the sea. That female turtle returns into the sea. Look, the female comes on shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs and immediately returns to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. Look, it's also very strange thing of female turtles. After laying eggs on that place, female turtle never returns to that place. After laying eggs, that female turtle never returns on that place. Then how? Where those eggs hatch out? Look, the eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days using normal heat, and the eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 15 days using natural heat. Means those eggs uses natural heat and gets hatched out after 45 to 50 days. Innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea. They have to face them all on their own. And look, that those female turtles would not be with them. So, and a lot of dangers are in the sea for those hatchlings, and those hatchlings have to face all those dangers themselves. Innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. Look, in the deep sea there would be a lot of dangerous things, dangers, and all those hatchlings have to face them all their own. Their survival rate is therefore as low as just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. Look, due to dangers in deep sea, their survival rate is very low. How is their survival rate? Just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. It means just 1 or 2 turtles can be survived among 1,000 hatchlings. It means 98% hatchlings were killed or died in that deep sea due to those dangers. Their survival rate is very, very low. Turtles perform an important function. Now look, what is the function of turtle? Turtles perform an important function. They keep the sea clean. They keep the sea clean because in this way they perform an important function. Thus, they occupy an important place in marine ecology. And everyone knows turtles keep the water bodies clean, and so they occupy an important place in marine ecology. Considering all these factors, it is vital, it is very important to undertake their protection on large scale, and considering their importance, considering all those factors, it is very important. It is very important to undertake their protection on large scale. It is must to protect them because they are very important for our ecology. They balance our ecology by keeping water bodies clean. So they are must to protect, to be protected. And this great work was being done by Sahyadri Nisargamitra, by that Bahu Katdare and his team members. After the success at Velas, we started implementing the project in other places too. And in first project at Velas, they got tremendous success. In first project at Velas, they got tremendous success. After the success at Velas, that team started implementing the project in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed, and within the 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed, because they have to start their project in other places also. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. And look, wherever turtle nests were found, protection was offered in those places. It means in 80 of the villages, protection had been offered. Our strategy plan was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then train and involve them in the work of protection. And look, they made one plan. Their plan was to engage those people who had been involved in stealing the eggs, who had been involved in killing those eggs. Then, after involving them, they would be trained and then involved in the work of protection. It was a great plan. That organization was involving such people in that work who had been stealing those turtle eggs, so that they would sense the importance of those sea turtles and they would not do that worst thing again. We started the Turtle Friends Award Kasav Mitra to encourage more people to be part of the protection campaign. Look, one by one, they were implementing different plans, and they started Turtle Friend Awards to encourage more people to be part of the protection campaign. And they started to organize to give Turtle Friend Award. The honest motive, the main motive behind organizing Turtle Friends Award to encourage more people to be part of the protection campaign. To take part in that protection campaign, that organization started to give Turtle Friends Award. A comprehensive booklet, comprehensive means detailed booklet, and a short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message and to aware more and more people to spread the message regarding the importance and protection of sea turtles. A comprehensive booklet, a detailed booklet and short film on the protection of turtles was prepared. Means that organization was doing too much, was doing their sincere effort to aware other people to take part in the protection of sea turtles. So, one detailed booklet, comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles had been prepared to spread the message about those sea turtles. Here I stop. I take further part in next lecture.